Bobby, when I was putting this itinerary together for you, I know you love all things that are spicy. You love
do.
Tabasco. So look where we are. Look where I brought you.
The Tabasco Museum.
The home of Tabasco.
You're making up for leaving me behind the whole last year. Slowly. You're getting there.
I know, but it's cool because we're going to learn how it's made. We're going to learn about the history of the island.
And you're going to try it for me, right?
I'm going to try it.
Okay, good.
I'm going to try it. Tabasco Museum.
Made from 3 simple ingredients, Tabasco peppers, vinegar, and salt, this hot sauce is a local staple and a brand known around the world. It's so popular that it's worked its way into pop culture.
And they had Tabasco lottery tickets.
Scratchy.
Hot cash.
Hot cash.
I never noticed that the name of the company that makes Tabasco is actually on the label.
I know, and what an interesting family, too.
Known for its pungent and spicy flavor, the sauce is aged in wooden barrels for several years to develop its distinct flavor profile.
Where did you come from? I didn't realize it takes 5 years to make Tabasco sauce.
I had no idea.
Tabasco is closely associated with the McIlhenny Company, which has been producing Tabasco sauce since the 1860s on Avery Island, Louisiana. Tabasco sauce has become a widely used condiment around the world and is often used to enhance the tastes of foods, ranging from Mexican and Cajun dishes to Bloody Mary cocktails.
We're gonna go try some yummies. Thank you. All right, I'm probably gonna get to like stage 3 of spice.
Oh, come on now.
Which one do you have a favorite?
I do.
Yeah.
This one,
Sweet and spicy.
roasted, and if you like the scorpion,
The scorpion.
Scorpion.
yes.
Ooh,
I'll try cayenne garlic.
I'm doing the
Comes out
buffalo one.
very fast.
It's delicious.
Actually, the cayenne and garlic sauce goes really good with pretzels. So this is the original. That's what Nikki's gonna need. I'll go
Can't
up to
really
the scorpion.
do spicy things.
No.
No.
She can
Say
today.
more this way.
Oh, okay. More of these guys over here.
Here's scorpion.
I heard you guys have little ice cream back there. Can I try some?
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Actually, this is really good.
You're converting her.
The raspberry chipotle is delicious.